Colors, fabulous colors, beautiful colors, all sorts of different colors. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you some fun and interactive ways to teach your child colors. I like to start off teaching my child colors and then move to letters, numbers, and shapes. At the time of this video, the child in my video is 2 years old. All right, let's see. This first activity is a printable that I got for free online. I printed it out, laminated it, and then cut it into small pieces. And it is fruits and vegetables, color sort. We have red, green, and orange. And your child picks the fruits and vegetables and puts them in the correct color basket. For this activity, it is a dinosaur sorting activity. We have a bunch of different colored dinosaurs and corresponding bowls, and your child needs to sort each dinosaur into the correct color bowl. For this activity, it's a simple coloring book, and each page has a different color on it, and you color the items whatever color it says. And I picked this up from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. This activity is a two-part activity. We rented this book, Brown Bear, from the library. And it's a move the flap book, so you slide the flap over to see the next animal and color. Then after we read the book together, I printed this free printable out offline and laminated it and cut it out. And my child has to place the correct colored animal in the correct color circle, just like the book. This activity is a colored shape sort, and this actually comes from my toddler binder that I have, and I have her do a couple sheets a day of different stuff in the binder. I will leave a link below in a video where you can see more about the binder if you're interested. But for this color one, you just shape the correct color shapes into the correct spots on the sheet. Here we have a colored bird sort, and I will have my child take off all the pieces, and I will put them aside, and I will say, "Can you find the red bird?" And she'll have to grab the red bird out of the pile and put it in the correct spot on the sheet. This activity, we used 3 clear cups full of warm water, and I also got some colored bath fizzes for this activity. I took the colored bath fizzes and put them on the plate, and I had my child drop a color into each water container, and we watched the color change, and then we said what color it was. And then after you do the 3 primary colors, you can have your child start mixing the colors to also take the teaching further, such as red and yellow make orange, or blue and yellow make green. This is a simple but fun book that we also picked up from the library, and it's a pop-up book. So you read the story with the child, and then they pull the flap up and it pops up a colored friend. So those are just a few fun activities that you can do with your child to help them learn colors. As I said in the video before, the books we checked out from the library, and I love to utilize my library for homeschooling. And also I will leave linked below the toddler binder in case you want to check that out, because she does do a couple pages of those each day. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.